You know, one of the cool things I find about DrEMTRIGGER is you can, the capability that it has is amazing. You can run it MIDI, or you can store it all right there in the trigger.
We know that every drum has its own unique sound and characteristics, and that every space, small, big, indoors or out, transform these into something completely new. We wanted to make an easier way for drummers to trigger and sample while maintaining the organic integrity of the sound and feel a drum provides. Introducing DrEMTRIGGER, the world's first fully standalone MIDI drum trigger. DrEMTRIGGER is an entirely new way to trigger drums that intuitively offers far more control than the other systems on the market today.
It was important to us that the wants and needs of drummers be at the core of DrEMTRIGGER. That is why we took our time to meet with drummers to ensure that we were developing a fantastic product. The design was thoughtfully planned to offer a trigger that was big enough to hit, but small enough to be out of the way.
As a MIDI controller, DrEMTRIGGER can be used in programs like Ableton to access a limitless library of sounds. In the final version, we've added an OLED screen in place of the LEDs to create an accessible, interactive experience. The two strikeable launch pads on top of DrEMTRIGGER can be used independently to fire loops, one-shot sounds, or actions within a digital audio workspace. Harnessing the latest advancements in sensor technology, we implemented a superior method of contactless hit detection, which allows the drum to fully breathe when paired with DrEMTRIGGER.
You know, with a product like DrEMTRIGGER, it allows you to be versatile, more musical. Even the lightest of ghost notes, you still get that trigger, you still get that sound. It's all right there in this sleek, small thing, you know? And I think that's the amazing thing about it.
Our goal is to build world-class products for musicians, and we can only do that with your help. We have already gone through several design and prototype phases and are nearing the finish line with the development of DrEMTRIGGER. Throughout the entire process, we partnered with an experienced team of developers and manufacturers to ensure that we created the best DrEMTRIGGER possible. With the funds that are raised, we will be able to apply finishing touches to DrEMTRIGGER and get it into full production. The vision is to revolutionize drum triggering for musicians all around the world. And we can't wait to hear the kinds of sounds that you create with DrEMTRIGGER.
Hi, I'm very proud to introduce DrumStick, an amazing product that my team and I have been working on 2 years. We imagined and created DrumStick because we wanted to democratize drumming and facilitate the drummer's life. DrumStick is the only connected solution that enables you to play, record and improve your drum. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate or even a professional, you will find in DrumStick incredible features. Using DrumStick is very simple. Whether practicing from your couch or sitting with your actual drum sets, thanks to our app and sensors, you just got to define your hitting zones to enjoy fantastic highlights. You can discover drumming in a simple and fun way. The app lets you make real drumming sounds by hitting the zones. Record yourself. Through the app, you can record all your performances and export them to MIDI or directly to sheet music. Practice and develop your skills. Follow sheet music, work on exercises, and play in real time to improve your playing.
Behind the magic of DrumLight is a patented technology. DrumLight concentrated technology lets you transcribe the music you play directly to the app. These connected solutions provide hit zones with incredible precision, resulting in instant responsiveness. The app is of course compatible with all smartphones, tablets and computers.
The design goal was to develop a product that was at the same time stylish and robust, while not influencing the balance of the drumsticks. The sensors are removable and can also be attached to your feet or directly on the bass drum pedal or on the hi-hat for precise transcription of your music.
Today, we need your help and support so that the dream of DrumLight can become a reality. The success of this crowdfunding campaign will help us to finalize the development of the sensor, the app, and launch our first production. Participate and be the first to discover the new DrumLight dimension. Thanks everybody, and keep on drumming!
Introducing BopPad, the most advanced electronic drum pad ever. BopPad is a location and pressure-sensitive drum controller with a wicked-fast playing surface. The pad may be split into 4 regions that have different sounds and timbre maps, making one BopPad take care of many percussive goals. BopPad's innovative architecture creates an instrument that sees every gesture, hit, or tap, making BopPad respond to the nuances of your playing. BopPad is accessible to everyone. It's easy to get started. Just plug and play via USB with any mobile device, laptop, or desktop computer. BopPad works with all music software. BopPad can be played with sticks, hands, or any convenient object. Play BopPad like a traditional drum by triggering a single sound from the entire surface, or build out a drum kit by assigning a different sound to each quadrant. Smoothly varying radial sensing from center to edge, along with continuous pressure response, can be mapped to any parameter, allowing for both traditional and experimental styles of play. We built BopPad with travel in mind. Its rugged, compact, portable design makes it perfect for on-the-go creativity. Measuring 10 inches in diameter and weighing less than a pound, you can toss BopPad in a bag and play anywhere. BopPad was designed for ease of use, perfect for the beginning drummer, while offering advanced features for the demanding performer.
No pad has been able to get like the flam or the buzz roll. It's not even close, And this thing, you can do it with your hand. It's amazing. It's much easier to use than all the other ones I've ever had.
Let's put it this way, this is going to be sitting right next to the production stuff almost immediately,
I liked how I can control dynamic too, because of like how sensitive it is.
But what I'm seeing here with the BopPad is sort of an unprecedented amount of control and sensitivity.
I don't notice any latency in the BopPad. It seems to be right there for me when I need it.
Hi, I'm Keith McMillan, and I started KMI to provide modern musicians with expressive and versatile instruments at a decent price. The BopPad is the ultimate drum pad controller. Whether you play with hands, fingers, sticks, or mallets, it will provide you with a thrilling amount of control and flexibility. KMI has completed 2 successful Kickstarter campaigns And we've learned a lot of important lessons about how to be successful in our projects and provide timely delivery. We've also learned about the great community that comes with participation in a Kickstarter campaign. We appreciate your help, support, and ideas. Thank you.
Hello Kickstarter, we are the Lumen Effect and we are here to present you our new project, the DrumLight. It's an electronic board with high power LEDs and a piezoelectric sensor that goes inside your drum and illuminates it from the inside.
A few months ago, some friends came to us seeking help. They needed a portable illumination system for their drums. We searched for a commercial solution. As we didn't find it, we've made one. It had been tested by our friends, professional drummers, and now we've made a scaled-down version for all of you to enjoy.
To install it, just stick it on the side of your drum, stick the piezo sensor on the top of your drum, plug it in, this, and you are ready to go. There are two power options for the DrumLight. One, a DC adapter, and the other one, battery. In this case, the DrumLight is white, but you can choose it in red, green, or blue. You can choose your DrumLight with 1, 2, or 4 LEDs.
TRIPSTICK. Hello out there, I am Pirate Pete Asarisi, inventor of TRIPSTICK Pro instrument expansion. TRIPSTICK is a kinetic acoustic analog spring tension delay stick. What I mean by that is here we have it right here. Here's the slow setting. And here's one that's on a faster setting. This is how it works. You put the stick in, you hook this up to your drum, this chooses your angle, that chooses your speed. So it couldn't get any easier, it couldn't be any more fun. Listen. That's what I'm talking about. It's all coming from right here. Doesn't matter if you play drums like Buddy Rich or Buddy Hackett. This thing's gonna double, triple, even quadruple your drum vocabulary instantly. You can use this your first day playing drums, or you can use this in a packed house. You can use this on your snare, tom, cymbals, hand drums, electronic drums. You can use this on a beer mug. You can use this on any responsive surface. The idea was to make it as simple as possible, but also engineer friendly. It can take any size snare drum, any size drumstick, from the smallest to the biggest. It can actually fit a plunger handle in here if you really wanted to do that. It works with brushes, it works with thunder sticks. You can put anything in here. This thing is amazingly fun. It's durable. It's way lighter than you think it is. I'm gonna hit it with a baseball bat right here. Look at this. No problem. This thing, I mean, don't worry about the stick, but the base of this, no problem. Tough as nails. This is different. This is new. You've never seen this. It is by far the coolest thing I've ever seen on a drum set. As far as delay goes, this is it. There is nothing like this. This is a brand new toy for all drummers, all levels. This will give you so much more control and freedom of expression. For 33 years playing, I've never had more fun with a drum accessory than with this. It's a fundable thing. It'll put some spice in your clams.
And I think that's what every drummer needs, is a little spice in their clams. And that's really what this is. It couldn't get any easier or cooler or be any more fun to use.
TRIPSTICK is seeking independent funding from anyone who wants to be involved in what I think, bar none, is the coolest thing you could ever attach to one of your drums or anything percussive. We can't take this to the people without your help. We need you to get involved right now, so back this campaign immediately and put some spice in your clams.